What is the biggest misconception or piece of unhelpful advice that women often hear about money that you believe we need to let go of right now? That you don't think you're good with numbers or you don't think you can do it. The term head trash, the stuff that's cluttering up your brain, that's what's getting in the way of getting you to where you want to go. All the things that are stopping you, that are telling you, you can't do this. You're not good with numbers. You're not good with math. Just let your husband take care of it. Those sort of things, right? So that's the biggest thing that I want people to know is that you can do it. I I believe that you can do it, that if you set your mind to it, you might have to buckle down for a couple of years and really dial things in, but in order to get to a better place, you can do it if you're motivated and ready to do it. So get rid of your head trash and start believing that you can. That's my first piece of advice.